Hello there, this is Kadira of Fiber Fancies. Today I am sharing with you a beautiful new collection of things I have made using Graphic 45's Birdsong collection. I've waited a very long time to get these papers, and I'm glad that I'm finally able to share a lovely new creation with you. As you can see, I have recycled a paper bag and put some lacy border on it. I just recently got this border punch and I am loving it. I use it all over the place now. So this is a card. You can write or draw on the back of it. And look at these beautiful images. I made this fan from an envelope that I recycled. And let's put that back in. This is a pendant from an earring that I took apart. I have a friend who occasionally supplies me with broken jewelry that I can recycle into my art. Lots of fun. So now in this main pocket is this gorgeous little salvage journal I made, salvaging papers and things to recycle rather than putting them in the trash or landfill. So I have this beautiful gold cord to tie it shut. And just so you know, most of my designer papers like this are new. And then there's some others that I recycle, which I will describe as I go along on this tour. So let's get going. I'm going to open this cord, and inside another of the beautiful papers from Birdsong. I love these dragons, and that might be a phoenix actually. And then there's a pocket here with a folded card. One of the few places I did not use the border punch. I was afraid the edging would get a little bit wrinkled up putting it in and out of this pocket. But I did use it here on this cardstock. Lots of room to write and draw, paste in photographs. Excuse me. So these brown pages are from packing material that when I receive a package of products, everything is bundled up in this brown paper, and rather than throwing it out, I got the idea from someone to iron it and reuse it. So we have this tag, this pocket belly band, I guess you call it, from the collection. And this is a altered playing card. This paper came from a book I purchased at a thrift store, which is a guest book, and it's handmade paper with botanical material added, and I decided to use some of it in this project. So, salvaging items from one use to another. Okay, we have more writing space, and this is a folded card, again with the paper punch. And then there's this little pocket here with this pretty tag. And this actually lifts up. Let's see if I can do it from the bottom. Come on. There we go. It lifts up so you can write or draw down in here. I try to make as many places as possible for journaling, adding photographs, clipping in clippings, whatever your heart desires to use your journal for. Okay. More paper there, and then this Music paper, you could write in between the notes if you wish, or paste in a photograph or something. And we have another corner pocket. This one does not open, but it has this beautiful tag plain on the back. You can write or draw. See if I can get this right side up. Happiness. And that's the back side. Okay. Turning the page, we have this pretty image. Chinese lantern. And more border design there. And over here on this flap is another belly band, and in it is this tiny little journal, notebook, journal within a journal, and that image on the cover. Lots of room to draw and write. Then we have this beautiful tag, which I've made into a little tuck spot to tuck in this folded card. More music paper, which is the back of this amazing and magnificent creation. I got this idea from Natasha of Treasure Books. Thank you so much, Natasha. So untie the string here and open it up. And, oops, something got bent. Oh no. I will fix that. We have on this edge this pretty little image with a tag behind it, and another little tiny pocket with a teeny tiny little envelope inside. This unfolds. You could write a sweet little love note, fold it up again. Okay, and we have this folded card and a card here that pulls out, and this beautiful butterfly excuse me, butterfly image. So let me tie that back up off screen. It's easier if I lay it down than try to hold it while I tie the knot. That way I can show you the rest of the journal without too much trouble. Okay, now this opens up and we have more of this writing paper with lines on it for journaling, and a place you could glue in a photograph or just leave as you wish. And then over here is a pocket with another card that's folded. All kinds of places for journaling or adding whatever you wish to your little journal. More music paper, more brown paper, and then we have these beauties for Asian women, Chinese women probably, and the back side is that paper. Just so gorgeous. It's sometimes hard to part with my creations, and I love to share what I make with other people so that they can reap the benefits of the beauty and the magic in my work. And then we have this pocket Again, down here you can see I used the border punch, and then I made this card that opens up. There we go. That fits in there. More blank pages. I did not punch this one. And finally, the inside back cover. We have a bookmark and another little folded card, place to write or draw. And that's the inside. So that is my Birdsong Journal in a bag. You may shop for this or any of my creations on my website, fairyfiberfancies.com. If you click on any image, any photograph, you will see the specs, the prices, and I like to mark them sold if they are gone. Now, some of the things that I have marked sold, I can make another one at least similar, if not exactly the same as the one that you see that is sold. Most of my art is one of a kind. Occasionally I will make a duplicate. And I cannot guarantee they'll always have the same papers or that they will always look exactly like the one in the image. So, thank you for watching. Enjoy your day, and please enjoy my website. Share it with friends, like it, follow me. And if you go to the Shop the Boutique page and scroll down, you can fill out your contact information and what it is you would like to order and submit it. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.